So I use an iPad 4 with a Wacom bamboo stylus to draw my stickers, and the app I use to draw them is Autodesk Sketchbook. I really like this app because it's free, has a bunch of different tools and brushes to use, and it has a full color selection. As compared to the bamboo paper app that's made to go with the stylus, it only has a few colors and brushes. Or Procreate, which I've heard a lot of other people using, is $10. So then I just draw my stickers with a white border around them and leave the background transparent in order for the Cricut to know what to cut. Which brings me to the Cricut. So I have the Cricut Explore Air, which is $150. To go with that, I use the Cricut Design Space app, which is made for the Cricut, obviously, where I upload and print my stickers. And the sticker paper I use is the glossy kind from onlinelabels.com. So then after the stickers are printed out, I just attach them to the Cricut mat. Life hack! Because the Cricut isn't the best at detecting lines on the glossy sticker paper, which is how it knows where to cut, I use matte Mod Podge and just paint it along the line so that the machine can better detect them. And then, once the Mod Podge dries, I load the mat and let the Cricut scan and cut my stickers. And I use the vinyl setting. To take the stickers off the mat, be sure to bend the mat and not the stickers. Finally, I use a paper cutter to cut the black lines off the sides and then cut the stickers in half to make 2 sticker sheets. Now, to make your own stickers, print out an image, cut that image out and leave some extra space around the border you plan on making. Then, take a piece of tape and put it over the picture. To smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles, take a card of any sort or something else flat like this Cricut scraper I have and just rub it along the tape you put down. When you're done with that, cut out your sticker. You can make the border however big or small you want. Now, to actually make the stickers sticky, I used to use this sticker machine. I couldn't find the exact one online, but this one is from Joann's for $40. As you can see, mine is the Xyron Creative Sticker Max, but you don't need it because you can just use the refills for it. You can get these on Amazon for $9 or $5 for the smaller size. So just roll out the sticky wax paper part and put your sticker on it. Then, cut a piece of the plastic that's on the other roll and put it on the piece of wax paper you have your sticker on. Cut the whole thing off and press down on the plastic so it sticks to all of the stickiness on the wax paper. So after you take the plastic off, it should take off all the sticky stuff that's on the wax paper right now off with it too. After you do that, you have your sticker.